here we are back again with the vegan leather case for the S24 Ultra from Samsung. So let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So I've got the vegan leather case for the S24 Ultra from Samsung. So let's check this case out. First of all, I just want to give Samsung a shout out for sending me over the dummy phone for which I did my first batch of S24 Ultra cases. Thank you guys very much. My S24 Ultra is actually here now, so I really appreciate you guys hooking me up with the dummy, and yeah, I look forward to speaking to you guys again, so appreciate it. But let's get stuck in. So vegan leather case. So this is the Samsung case, and it's pretty straightforward stuff. Wee bit of packaging there, and there we go. So this is their vegan leather case. This is the black version. It looks decent. Can't complain about that at all. Comes up over the sides of the phone, which is great. And then we've got metal buttons there as well. Individual cutouts for the cameras. Pretty straightforward stuff. On the inside then, it's got this lovely sort of suede microfiber type lining, which is very, very nice. And of course, made in China. So first up, let's weigh this case. There we go, 36 grams. So that's not bad. Not bad at all. Now, like I say, this is the vegan leather case. So this is not made from, you know, real animal skin leather. So this is the vegan leather option. And to be honest, I actually quite like the quality of this case. And it baffles me why Apple didn't go down this route instead of giving us the fine woven cases that they gave. I just don't understand it. I really don't. Because this is actually quite decent. I will say now, that is very, very nice. So let's just pop the phone in there, and of course, just to address the people in some of my earlier videos who have said that I didn't actually have the phone. There you go, it is my phone. So buttons are metal buttons, and they're very clicky and tactile responsive. So let's just do the fitment test. So if I take the corners of the phone and sort of just give it a little twist, the phone doesn't move, which is what you want to see. You want to see good fitment in there. The phone is being held really, really well. No problems whatsoever. Screen lip then. So the sides just stop, if you can just see there, they just stop just the ever little bit shy of coming flush with the frame of the phone. I don't know why you wouldn't just lift it up and maybe bring it in line with, as you can see, the lips here on the bottom and the top of the display. I don't understand that. The lips on the case at the bottom and the top of the display do give you a little bit of lift up protection. So if you set that down flat, it is going to keep your phone raised up off that surface, and you're not going to scuff up that display. And the camera lenses then. So the camera lenses do not protrude out of the case, and the case is flush completely. So you set that down and you're not going to get any rock. It will lift those lenses up. Now, if you don't set it on a flat surface, can't guarantee those lenses won't get scuffed. Also, just to say, if you look at these camera lenses here as well, there doesn't look like there's an awful lot of space there for lens protectors. Not sure if that's a factor if you're a lens protector user, but might be worth taking into account because that does look very, very tight in there, and I'm just not entirely certain lens protectors would fit. The feel of the vegan leather is very nice. It does feel grippy, and I do feel that it will get a little bit more grippy as you use it. You will get that sort of age with it, and which is decent. It does feel pretty thin, minimalistic, so it does feel like a nice case. The price of it now, £44 for a vegan leather case direct from Samsung, but it is a good fit and it does feel good. In the bottom then we've got our charging port, and you can see our microphone hole here, and then we have our speaker cutout and the S Pen, and as you can see, the S Pen, you can get that out there with no issues whatsoever, no problems at all. With this being a Samsung case, it won't have any MagSafe type compatibility with it, so there's no magnets in the case, so you're not going to be able to use any MagSafe accessories with it. So unfortunately, if you are looking for a leather case with MagSafe for the S24 Ultra, this isn't going to be the one for you, so take from that what you will. So yeah guys, what do you think of the vegan leather case from Samsung for the S24 Ultra? Let me know in the comments down below. It is very nice, it is a really good fit. Now one thing I would say, I would like to have seen this line here at the sides come up flush, because as you can see, you can just see the frame of the phone there. So that, I would have liked to have maybe just seen it come in line with this lip on the top and the bottom, so that you have a little bit of screen lip there, but it's not a massive deal breaker. It does feel like a good fit, secure case, and I can't really say too much about it, and it is quite nice. So if you are interested in picking up this case, I will leave you a link in the description down below to where I found it, and if you pick it up using one of my links, thanks for your support. They help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money, so if you do, thanks for your support, much appreciated. So that about wraps up this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. I'm gonna go, keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more cases coming for the S24 Ultra, so stay tuned. And as always, if you want some more down to earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.